What's up, YouTube? Just got a package in the mail. Let's see what it is. Let's see what we got. Shout out to yitamotors. Check them out on Amazon. yitamotors, y'all. yitamotors. See what they got for your boy. This video is sponsored today by yitamotors. Woo! 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 Ah. Woo! 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 Ah. Woo! Let's check them out. yitamotors for the win. yitamotors for the win. Oh, these the new lights for the coupe. The new lights for the coupe. Oh man. These the new lights for the coupe. Oh, fumble Larooski, fumble liar. Oh, yitamotors for the win. Ooh, they sent me the smoked out joints. Look at the black joints. These gonna look good on the coupe, y'all. Ooh, the smoked out black joints. Ooh, ooh. There's only one thing I don't like about these. It's that they're not projectors. They're the old school reflector headlights. They're not projectors, but they look good. They look good. Wish they was projectors, but can't complain. Shout out to yitamotors. Appreciate y'all. Oh man, yeah. We gonna put the Honda back together. In case you don't know, I'm gonna give y'all a rundown of the backstory of what happened to the Honda. My old faithful. The Honda been in my family for almost 20 years. Trying to do my unboxing video for YouTube, if you don't mind. Thank you. Shout out to yitamotors.